Hi guys, here we've got Honor 70 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So if your device is stuck for some unknown reason, all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume down button. So hold both all together, keep holding, still hold, and once you feel the vibration and also see the logo, you can release the buttons and just wait a couple of seconds till your device is rebooted. Then you will be able to smoothly use it again. And that's it. Now you just have to provide your PIN and now you can smoothly use your device again. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.